here come the calabash, you know. You know, say we have to have a plate to done. So that's the calabash. You see this? Calabash. Show you. So that's a calabash right here. See how we just pick this calabash right here? Good. That's on the tree. So that's a calabash. What you did now, you cut it. Then you scrape it out. Then you get a cup. This is the most I provide us food, plate, and cup. See how much it's powerful? Wow. Plate and cup and food. That's what the most I give unto us.